right, this has been our Large Pony Hunter model. Receiving our top call today, number 1086 Carmelo. Dorothy Rose Kaufman Slough was the handler. Our second place goes out to 250 Cherrybrook Sky Blue. Christine Carlson, the handler. Third, 107 Navigator. Melissa Darren Foster is the handler. Fourth was 1344 Just Blue Inn, handled by Peyton Smith. And our fifth place, 1867, that is Center Field, handled by Lexi Looker.